When searching for the right power washing service, keep these important things in mind. Keeping your home or business's exterior looking vibrant and clean is important. After all, like the old saying goes, first impressions are lasting impressions, and the right power washing service will help you make it a great one. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find the power washing service that is right for you. 1. Ask to make an appointment. Reputable pressure washing companies should be willing to come to your location and offer you an estimate before beginning any work. 2. Also make sure the company you are considering has the proper insurance in place before starting your work. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right power washing service. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.